cloud plum tree. And all the leaves fell off. And I am so wondering, is it going to come back? I looked and searched the internet and couldn't find any information about the thundercloud plum tree. So I'm going to leave it in the ground and see what it's going to do. I'm very devastated because this tree was so beautiful. So I'm going to just leave it alone and see what it would do on its own. All the leaves fell off. All the leaves fell off. All the leaves fell off. So one is it dead or alive? We'll check and see and find out later about my thunder cloud plum tree because I really don't know what to say. So I'm going to give it about 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to fertilize it and make sure that it's taken care of and watered, and then I'm going to just watch it and see what happens. This is the 3rd week and nothing happening, so we're just going to wait and see what's going to happen on the 3rd week of this beautiful tree. I'm not giving up on it, y'all. I'm not giving up on it. I thank the Lord for not giving up on the red tree. It's so beautiful. I've transferred to one area of the house to the back because I was working on my patio, and I'm trying to make a showcase garden, y'all. So I moved it from the front, and this is the 3rd week. We'll see what happens. All right, this is the 4th week. And look and behold what's going on. Look at there, look at there. They are coming. The leaves are coming. Look at the leaves are coming around. Oh my goodness. Ain't it wonderful? Look at the leaves. The leaves are coming. Oh, look at that. Oh, so it is hope for a thundercloud plum tree. Yes, indeed. I got some leaves. Look at the little leaves coming out on the branches that have lost their leaves. I guess it was shocked because it didn't know what to do. So the weather helped it along. And look at that. Look at that. Look at those little things coming out on the tree. I really was giving up a little bit. But my goodness, you can save a tree by just leave it alone. Don't cut it. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I am so happy. So this is the 4th week. I didn't give up. So I'm going to keep doing what I've been doing and see what's going to happen next. I am so excited. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Everywhere I look, I see some little red leaves coming out. Oh, yes, indeed. This is amazing, y'all. So don't give up on your thundercloud plum tree because it's just shocked and it's in dormant. They don't know what to do because it comes with pink flowers in the spring and then red in the summer. So it's here, y'all.